Good day. Welcome to Endurance Room. Hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to take a look at an IFAK from Rhino Rescue. They sent this out to me about 2 months ago with one of their compact first aid kits. I really dig the first aid kit. I've been carrying it with me pretty regularly in all of my packs. I'll just switch it out to whatever I'm carrying that day. But their IFAK here, it's pretty nice. It has a basic first aid kit as well as the IFAK contents, which, really rounds it out. It's got a nice case. It's about six and a half inches tall by maybe 5.5 inches across, 5 inches deep. You've got a breakaway Velcro molle panel on the back here, so you could attach it to your backpack, your belt, plate carrier, and then if you needed to remove it with this carrying handle, you just unclip and then pull in the handle and it would break off and you'd be able to take it and use it where you need it. So pretty nice container for the IFAK. You've got some webbing on the front as well. If you wanted to rubber band a tourniquet to the outside, you could do something like that. Let me flip the camera around and we'll go through the contents. All right, so right on top, you have a trauma card to write down, any stats, any details. You've got a basic first aid manual that covers basically all the contents, their uses, as well as basic CPR, how to use, your emergency blanket correctly, apply your tourniquet. So good to know, good to have. And if you're going to carry something like this, you want to know how to use all this stuff, or else it's just dead weight. Speaking of first aid, right here in this breakaway panel, you've got a basic first aid kit. It's got a CPR face shield, some gloves, as well as bandages, basic first aid dressings, alcohol wipes, things of the sort. Over here, we've got trauma shears, nasal airway, an emergency blanket, detailed instructions for how to use your tourniquet, small marker for taking notes, and a splint. On the other side, we've got an emergency bandage, 2 packets of compressed gauze, an elastic ACE style bandage, medical tape, and then behind that we have dry burn dressing, an abdominal pad, 2 chest seals, and a triangular bandage. And there you have it, everybody. That is our IFAK from Rhino Rescue. If you want to take a look at one for yourself, I'll leave a link for you down below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.